welcome to a new video. To be honest, I think it's time again. It's time to change this wall behind me. I only painted it maybe a year ago, I'm not quite sure. I have a video where I hand painted this beautiful wall with a sponge and like 3 colors of paint, and I've used it since during maternity sessions, newborn sessions, even like a mommy and me session and like sitter sessions. Yeah, do I like it? Yeah, I like it. It looks good in photos. Am I a creative person who loves to create art and gets bored easily and wants to change stuff again? Yeah. So I'm thinking about painting it back to white, or at least like creamy white, very light. And I want to put some like hanging plants in there. You're gonna see it. So I'm going to change this wall. I'm going to change the corner completely, well, a little bit, just with very small effort. I like to change things. I like to change it. And I know being consistent is very important. When you're a photographer, you want your Instagram feed to look beautiful, consistent, colors, warmth, so that the customers also know what to expect when they book a session with you. So changing this wall means that I do have to change the photos which are in my maternity indoor portfolio, because I won't be able to offer this decor anymore to my future clients because it'll be different. So am I creating more work for myself? Yeah, because I need to get a model here, like a pregnant woman, to take some photos as an example, or just do all my maternity sessions outside from now on and just use this corner for like newborn sessions, because the parents will be sitting there anyway, so I can just take some family portraits there, or like mommy and baby, or like daddy and baby, or a sibling and the newborn, or whatever. But I need to create, of course, new photos in my portfolio, because I need to remove the old ones because the decor won't be available anymore. So I don't want to disappoint my clients and, you know, manage expectations, make sure that what they see on the website is what they can expect during their session. So I'm gonna get some paint and like a roller, and then we're going to change the wall. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the result after the first layer of paint. I'm not too disappointed, but it definitely needs another layer of paint. So I'm gonna wait till it dries and then apply the second layer. So as you can see behind me, the wall dried pretty well. I think it's actually quite even. I applied 2 layers. It looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to go to a garden center to pick up a few hanging plants. And I ordered something yesterday which already came in today. So I'm going to open it and show you what's inside, because we're going to use this to style the new corner, which won't be a bohemian corner anymore as much. It'll still have bohemian details, but I would refer to it as a botanical corner. Maybe I'll steal 1 or 2 plants from my living room for now, so I can take some test shots, and then if I like them, I'll keep them here and I'll buy some new ones for the living room, or we might do some kind of exchange program. So yeah, I have macrame rope. I bought some 3mm and 5mm. So here you see the string, which is more like smooth, and here you see the rope. And I ordered 4 wooden rings, which I can incorporate in my plant hangers, because we're gonna create some plant hangers. Because it kind of like matches my style, maybe a little bit more as well. It's fresh. There's like a little bit of color, and it's not as like moody and like brown toned, and I like it a little bit more fresher and crisper maybe, and with a few colors. So I've got this beautiful rust colored dress that I want to use in the corner, and I got another dress so it has a little bit more color, which I like. Okay, so let's go plant shopping. Okay, so we're back. Got a few things. I think you could call it like a pea plant, and not like pee like going to the bathroom, but actual like peas that you can eat. So yeah, as you can see, I already have 3 plants hanging right now. I'm using these hooks and there's like wood in the top, so I can just easily like screw it in. I have to create at least 3 hangers. So yeah, it's the vacuum thing is going, so everything is like on top of everything. But I have another plant right here. So this one I might borrow for some photos as well. I like it because it's like long. So I'm going to use one of the pots I got and then create like a macrame hanger. Yeah, actually I have a separate video where I show you how I made the macrame wall piece and just explaining the basic knots. So in this video I'm not going to do like a tutorial on how to make a plant hanger, because there are already so many on YouTube and they're a lot better. But in the other video I did explain the knots, and I'll probably use the same knots. So if you want to look at me instead of someone else and you still want to learn about macrame, you can watch the other video. I'll just fast forward making the plant hangers so I can start taking some test shots, and I have to finish. That's the thing with painting. I like painting like the big chunks, because then it completely looks different and it's like awesome while you're painting. And now I have to fine tune it and make the edges look really good. Yeah, it's also fun to do, maybe a little bit less fun, but I'm gonna do it. First, coffee. Today I have 2 sessions actually, but first I have a newborn session with a very special newborn girl, because I actually witnessed her being born. She's the daughter of one of my best friends, and I was there in the hospital when she was born. I took some photos and videos, and now she's 3 weeks old and she's coming here today for a newborn session. So yeah, super happy to see her again and to photograph her with her beautiful mother, of course. So we're going to shoot some photos in the botanical corner. I have dresses for the mom. As far as color, she has chosen like earthy tones, creamy white, and a little bit of like pink and purple. So we'll go with creamy white and earthy tones first. Yeah, she was born after the due date. She's 3 weeks old today, so she can be really happy and awake, or she can be sleeping. We'll see. I just finished. I already set up for the cake smash session. Such a sweet girl. She was so wide awake at the beginning. And then we could take some sleeping photos of her as well in the bum up position, the head on hands position and the side position. And the mom wanted to have a few photos of her with her baby in the botanical corner, breastfeeding as well. Absolutely beautiful. So today I have a cake smash and a newborn session. During the newborn session I can't film, but during the cake smash I can. And so I'm going to show you a little bit of my setup and then some behind the scenes and maybe like the final images. So here I have the cake smash decor for some portrait photos, and I removed the bench, then the cake. Just she wanted it very simple, just cake, a few balloons and a garland in the back with some flowers. And of course we have the second decor here, name on the sign, changing table ready. I also have here outfits to choose from. And here now you can see a pullback of the new botanical corner in the other side. So yeah, that's nice. So we just finished with the cake smash. Adorable, beautiful girls. And then I asked the mom if she wanted to be my model for the botanical corner. So I could take some photos of her with her youngest daughter and then with both of the girls. Big sister didn't really want to join in that corner, so, but it's okay. It's more like I wanted to test just the feel and like look and feel of the corner and see how I'm going to edit it, what looks nice. But the mom was dressed so nicely when she came in. Big sister had her beautiful dress on, so I thought, why not? I'll ask them to be my models. So that was great. So yeah, you don't need a lot of space to create different decors. In the new corner, I'm super happy with it. Plants will change over time. Maybe one will die, maybe one will get really big, and great, doesn't matter. The wall will change. I might get a new plant, I might change a plant, but I like it for now. I don't know for how long, because you know, if I think too long about stuff, I'll start changing my mind. But for now I really like it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Love reading your comments. Have a lovely day. And see you maybe on Instagram. Follow me there as well.